Hey guys, it's your girl Pardonmybeautii TV, and as I get ready for work, as you can see, I'm tired. This video is pre-recorded, but I'm gonna do a little story time. So all right, let me get into it. Basically, this lady at Etsy, where I sell different things, my soap, scrunchies, and full designer scrunchies, whatever. Keep in mind, she knows it's faux designer. In the description, it says faux designer. It has different prints, various prints. She knows that. Etsy knows that. Everybody knows that. People have been buying. She ordered on the 3rd. So I shipped it out same day, as I try to do with everybody's order. If not, I'll ship it out within the time I say it's going to be shipped. And she got it on a knife. She writes me on a knife and says, oh, she thought the scrunchie was going to be fully functional. So I'm telling her, I'm like, okay, well, what's not fully functional about it? She says she cannot wrap the scrunchie around her hair twice, blah, blah, blah. So I write her back, like, sorry for the inconvenience. I'm not sure why not. I use the scrunchie. My daughter uses the scrunchie. You guys can see my hair. Thick and curly. This is my natural hair. It's curlier most days. This is just dry and it dried up and everything else, whatever. I'm about to put some product in and you guys will see. I have long, thick hair. This is not my full length of my hair. This is my hair shrunk. My daughter has long, thick hair. I can't seem to understand why she couldn't wrap it around her hair twice. So then she proceeds to say, oh, I have long, kinky hair. Mind you, she does not have long, kinky hair because her profile picture she has on her account, I can tell she does not have kinky hair. So I felt like she was trying to be funny or start up a problem, and in the back of my mind I'm like, she's gonna want a refund. But she never even asked for a refund that day. Mind you, like I said, August 3rd, August 9th. The 16th of August, she decides to write me and asks how can she send it back? How can she get a refund? Miss Mamas, you are not getting a refund. So anywho, we're going through this long, drawn-out process with Etsy, and Etsy lets you handle, matters of your own with your customers on your own until they see you can be resolved, and then they fix it. I explained to her she can't get a refund. I explained to her why. It's COVID. You waited a whole week later, and you should have said you wanted a refund the knife, and I might have given her a refund. My policy clearly states, and that's why Etsy lets you do your policies, and they have policies. There are no refunds. I did nothing wrong. And she got her order on time, before time at that. Anywho, so she writes Etsy and opens up a case saying that I'm selling fraudulent stuff and I won't give her a refund and my item wasn't as described. Mind you, if you go to my Etsy, I have 5-star reviews for all of my scrunchies. The same scrunchies that she's complaining about, I have 5-star reviews. She decided to, mind you, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. She wrote me at 3 o'clock in the morning on the 16th. Mind you, she got her order on the knife. So basically, I told her, God bless, and she can't have a refund. She thought she was right at Etsy. And like I said, they let us handle our orders on our own. So when she wrote them, it came to me. Got it. I explained. I was being nice. She told me I was throwing insults. She told me I should be ashamed of myself. I'm unprofessional because I didn't want to give her a refund and everything else. I sent her my policies. I was very polite. And I told her, you did not describe in your messages, as Etsy saw, that she didn't like the item. The item wasn't the same color. All she said was that she can't wrap it around her head twice. Nowhere in my description does it say you can make a full ponytail or what you can do with it. Anybody knows buying a scrunchie is either it's going to be tight or it's going to work good or it's not going to work good. Like I said before, none of my other customers complained. You can see my texture of my hair. So even if she was the seller and I used it, I can wrap it around my hair twice. And as you guys can see, it's on my hair. So basically, that's why I'm making this video, because I couldn't seem to understand what the problem was. She'd been all morning from like 3 o'clock in the morning till about 9 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning. We've been going back and forth. Etsy finally decided they were going to refund her and not take from my sales because it was not my fault and I didn't do anything wrong. and she just was being extra. And I told Etsy, which they agreed, that basically, why would she wait a whole week later if she knew she was dissatisfied with the product? She should have said something the day she got it. All she said was that she couldn't tie it around her head twice and she was just going to use it as a bun, which indicated to me that you used it. So why would I accept it back if you used it already? What am I going to do with it? It's a whole pandemic, and I don't know how else I can sell that scrunchie. I would not give out no one any scrunchies that are used, and I wouldn't that I use or anyone else uses. Everything I get is clean, and I try to keep it as clean as possible until it gets to the seller and keep it away from things and minimal touching and everything else. So I don't understand why she would think that I would take that back. And the way she went about it, I'm a very nice person. She could have definitely got a refund on the 9th. But the 16th, yeah, no. When did you decide that you wanted a refund? And she just kept saying Etsy, oh, it's fake, it's fake, it's fake. She's selling fake products. She's selling knockoffs. If anybody shops on Etsy, you see that everybody's selling faux designer products. Nowhere on my description did it say any brands, did it say any labels or anything of the sort, but she was very upset and it was so funny. And I just find it funny that she would say she has kinky hair and she did not have kinky hair, and the only way you refer to somebody with kinky hair is if they're black, and she wasn't black, and I know she wasn't. So my business clearly states that I was black owned, and I felt like she was trying to be funny, and I guess that was her way of getting in her little insult. But furthermore, she got blocked. She cannot shop with me anymore. And it's very unfortunate because I have reorders from people all the way in the United Kingdom and I still have no problems. But I want to thank everyone for watching my video. This is my little story time. Make sure you go shop my Etsy at barluxe, and I will put it in the description. And yeah, guys, like you can see, this is kinky hair, if you want to say that. This is kinky hair. This is my hair. This is curly hair, this is thick hair, and this is long hair. You can see I'm using the scrunchie. Now, the one she got was a different print. Same scrunchie, same elastic, same everything, just different print. Look how it's holding my hair up. Somebody please. And then when the video is done, you guys will see that it's holding my hair up perfectly fine. Product, my hair needs to be washed. It's tangled, as you can see. I'm brushing it out, and I'm still trying to figure out what she was talking about. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed my little story time. Maybe I'll do more of these if you like them. If not, we'll see. And honestly, I was just so tired for work. If you can see my eyes, my face look all chunky and swollen. And guys, I do work early in the morning because I work at a distribution center and I have my business. I would really appreciate if you guys go shop and purchase some of my soaps. I have lip gloss, scrunchies, soaps, velvet scrunchies. I will be adding more inventory to my Etsy. Thank you guys for watching, and once again, subscribe, guys. And yeah, I was so tired and I feel like doing this, but my hair is always flowing in my face, flying away is all in my face and in the front, and I didn't have time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, honestly. My little story time. And just as a customer, like if you have a problem with an order, when you first see it, you check it out, you feel like it's not the way it looked when you went to go purchase it, and it's messed up, or you feel like this, that, and the third, say something right then and there. Don't wait a week later and then want to argue with the seller and say they're unprofessional because they tell you God bless and you're not getting a refund. It's nothing wrong with that. If I'm wishing you well and I explained to you, I sent her a screenshot of my policy, my refunds and return policies, and I've actually refunded a person before, but she wasn't getting a refund. Sorry, it doesn't work like that. And you really do have to read. When you go shopping at different people's businesses, you can't get mad at them because you failed to read the policies for returns and exchanges or whatever the case may be. And I'm very nice. Like I said, if something's wrong, I would have no problem refunding you your money or fixing the problem. And I did fix the problem. She wrote me. I wrote her back. And she wasn't satisfied, but that has nothing to do with me. I tried my best. And then she waited a whole week later to want a refund. You knew you wanted a refund the day. Oh, so anywho, just watch me, guys, continue to do my hair with the same scrunchie that she claimed she couldn't use on her hair. And once again, thank you for watching my videos. Pardon My Beauty TV, and I am out.